Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is There's a Card Thursday. And now on Tips and Techniques Tuesday, I showed you how to make the peony from the prized peony and peony dies, the bundle. And today I just want to throw this little card together for you. Let's bring you up. What we're going to be using is we are going to be using the prized peony. And let's get out your friendship. We are going to be using the Melon Mambo. For cardstock, we are going to be using just a Whisper White. This is going to be a quick little card, a Whisper White note card. We have already used Melon Mambo, Magenta Madness, Early Espresso, Garden Apple Green, and Shaded Spruce. We are also going to be using the glue dots. And we've used the glue dots to put the peony together. And you should watch the Tips and Techniques Tuesday. I'll have it on towards the end where you can click on it to see how to put it together. But the hint here is the bottoms are all the same. And they should line up the bottoms. And then they just go right in. Okay, so I've already made this. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bunch of glue dots on the back of this. It's kind of hard to put. I would use some of our new tape runner, I forgot what it's called. The Stampin' Seal. Oh, let's use the Stampin' Seal Plus, see if it holds. Ooh. Well, that didn't work too well. Kind of ripped that, so we're just going to go back to using the glue dots. I've noticed that the cardstock isn't as sturdy as it used to be. I've got a whole new bunch of cardstock, and I had all my old cardstock when I was in the RV, and I never had it tear like that, but even with the snail or something like that, I noticed it tears lately. So I'm going to have to tell Stampin' Up about that. So I got those. I've got my leaves. I made my leaves. I'm just going to put those on. Put that in, tuck that under, tuck that under, maybe that one. And let's put that one over there. And then I'm just going to take my Melon Mambo ink and ink up my saying.